welcome. We are doing bandits over the wire. It's a CTF walkthrough. We have already solved the previous level of bandit 6, but it was not good. The solution was not quite up to the mark. So let's see. I have found an article over here which shows like how to use the find command in an optimal way. So let's get started. I've already solved it, so I'll show you again. So first of all, I did connect it. Then I used this command find dash user bandit 7 group bandit 6, and the level was like find the password which is in a file. The file is the password containing in the file is owned by bandit 7 and owned by the group of bandit 6. So hence this is the command, and then we'll find it, and to remove all this unnecessary errors we'll pipe it out to div null. The password is in this file. If you cat this, you'll get the password. So we'll cat it up. So this is the password. If you do lsl on this file, you would know this file is actually of 33 bytes. So ls and la. So yeah, the password file is of 33 bytes, and this is the password we got. So thank you for watching.